The CDC recommends that the safest way to celebrate during the holidays is by staying home, and that's the best way to protect yourself and others. If you want to see your family, using virtual methods such as Zoom, phone calls may be the best way, and keeping the celebration limited to those that you're ordinarily around in the household. If you need to travel for some reason during the holiday season, the CDC website has excellent information about knowing your travel risk. There are ways to try to decrease your risk of picking up COVID while you travel or spreading COVID if you have it during your trips. And it depends on where you're going, the mode of transportation, what you'll be doing when you get to your destination, who you'll be with, and what you're doing before you left. For example, one of the safest methods to travel would be a direct car trip with members of your household in the car. And remember, right now, before you travel any place, you need to check the travel advisories and restrictions for your destination. And remember, these can change very rapidly, so be prepared to have flexible travel plans this holiday season. So people want to get together over the holidays, and they want to be with those closest to them. And one of the things that has been floated on social media and on some websites is the concept of a social pod or a bubble. At this time, we know that the only safe and effective way to stop spreading COVID and to decrease your risk of getting COVID is to stay with members of your own household. If you have a household that you are in close contact with on a regular basis, and they've also been isolating, it is possible to create a pod or a social bubble. However, if people in that pod are not actively practicing hand hygiene, social distancing, and wearing masks, they could inadvertently spread COVID within the group. So when we talk about decreasing our risks of getting COVID or spreading the virus, we need to think of it in terms of risk stratification with the safest methods, safer methods, and higher risk methods. So the safest way to ensure your health and the health of your family is to avoid social gatherings, especially over the holidays, maintain social distancing when outdoors, wear a mask, and practice hand hygiene. A higher risk method for gathering is to interact with another family, another household, in a social pod or a bubble.